Well, welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how we can easily do drunk effect or trail effect in ShotCut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on the filters and then click on plus and right here trails. Double click on trails, and when you double click on trails you can increase the amount of frames to, I don't know, 25 or 26. And you can see directly the really drunken, toxic effect, which is, I think, really cool. I mean, this is so great. You can use it if you want to have some psychedelic experience, or even when you are running through the nature and someone is scared. So this is how we can make the drunk effect in ShotCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya in the next video. Goodbye.